Types of human nature. There are many different types of human nature that have been described and studied by philosophers, psychologists, and anthropologists. Some of the most commonly recognized types of human nature include altruistic, people who prioritize the well-being of others over their own interests and desires. Egoistic, people who prioritize their own interests and desires over the well-being of others. Aggressive, people who are prone to act in aggressive or violent ways, often as a result of feeling threatened or frustrated. Competitive, people who have a strong drive to compete with others and win, often at any cost. Creative, people who are imaginative and innovative, and who enjoy finding new and unique solutions to problems. Curious, people who have a strong desire to learn and explore new ideas and concepts. Empathetic, people who are able to understand and share the feelings of others, and who are naturally compassionate. Independent, people who value their independence and autonomy, and who prefer to make their own decisions. Intuitive, people who rely on their intuition or instincts to make decisions and solve problems. Logical, people who rely on logic, reasoning, and analysis to make decisions and solve problems. These types of human nature are not mutually exclusive, and most people display a combination of different traits and tendencies. Additionally, human nature can be shaped and influenced by various factors, including upbringing, culture, environment, and life experiences.